bother me. Drinking my coffee and my Netflix nights like she's on a higher plane. She says no plastic, no sugar, no fun, but her smart game ways are done. When did kill chips become religion? Somebody hand me a cinnamon bun. Crunchy moms are on the attack with the quinoa tips and essential oils pack. Homeschool warrior, my Netflix nights like she's on a higher plane. She says no plastic, no sugar, no fun, but a smart game weighs a ton. When the kill chips become religion, somebody hand me a cinnamon bun. Crunchy moms, they're on the attack with the quinoa tips and essential oils pack. Homeschool warriors, gluten-free cheer. I'll just sit back and crack open a beer. Play dates at the co-op, feel like a child. Did you know your diaper takes 500 years? I just wanna juice boxes, simple and sweet, but she's preaching the gospel of sprouted wheat. She's got a yoga mat and a judgment glare, but her kid's eating dirt over there. Oh lady, relax, take a break from the grind. Your organic life is messing with my mind. Crunchy moms are on the attack with the quinoa tips and essential oils pack. Homeschool warrior, my Netflix nights like she's on a higher plane. She says no plastic, no sugar, no fun, but her smart game weighs a ton. When the guilt chips become religion, somebody hand me a cinnamon bun. Listen and wait, not everything has to be something chia seeds wrapped in beeswax or blessed by a moon goddess. Sometimes I can't just leave a candy bar and a nap. I'm cool with love for Mother Earth, but your smug machine has gone berserk. Your soap's homemade, your garden's lush, but please stop talking about your kid's gut flush. I'll take my thoughts, my screen time, my nest. You keep your workshops on holistic stress. Let's agree to disagree. It's true, I'll drink my soda and you drink your brew. Crunchy moms are on the attack with the quinoa tips and essential oils pack. Homeschool warrior, my Netflix nights like she's on a higher plane. She says no plastic, no sugar, no fun, but a smart game weighs a ton. When the guilt chips become religion, somebody hand me it's all love. Crunchy mom, but next time maybe don't judge my mac and cheese.